Our story for today is Beat COVID. Hi, I am COVID, and I'd like to stay anywhere. You cannot see me, but I could be everywhere. I've traveled to different places: Asia, Europe, US, and many more. I am COVID, and I wish to stay. But you see, when you take a bath and wear clean clothes, when you clean the house and disinfect your things, when you wash your hands, when you eat your vegetables and fruits, when you take your vitamins and exercise, I wouldn't want to stay for long. I make you sick. That made you mad. I make you stay home, and that made you feel sad. And you miss going to school. When I'm gone, you can share hugs again. When I'm gone, you can travel anywhere. When I'm gone, please continue eating healthy. Listen more to daddy and
I
mommy.
love you, Mommy.
Sorry for staying a while. So long.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.